This is the fourth part of properties of set operations and relations, and here we are going to discuss the fourth property, which is properties of the empty set. So properties of the empty set says that A union, this sign represents empty set, equal to empty set union A, which is equal to A. And second, it says that A intersection empty set or null set equal to empty set intersection A, which is equal to empty set. So these two properties we are going to prove. These are called the properties of the empty set. So suppose we have one set, and I will write down again A, E, I, O, U. This is the vowels, right? And then one we have to make the empty set, and empty set, just write down the name empty set, or you can write down B or whatever, right? But here we have used empty set, so we will write down this is the empty set or null set, or you can write down this 0 and cross it. Okay, first we have to prove that A union the left hand side of the first property. So it is the left hand side equal to A union empty set. Union means you have to write down each and every element of both the sets. So see, in empty set we do not have any element. We have A, E, I, O, U in A. So we will write down A, E, I, O, U because this is the union. Now, right hand is equal to Q, U, A. So, and we have to prove that it should be equal to A, right? And again, A union, this is empty set union A. Same thing, we have to write down A, E, I, O, U. Because this is union, we have to consider each and every element of both the sets. So in empty set we do not have any element, it is empty, null set. So see, A union empty set is equal to A, E, I, O, U, and which is same as A. And empty set union A, E, I, O, U, which is again to A. So we have proved that A union empty set or empty set union A equal to A. This is A. So here you can have X, Y, Z, A, B, C, whatever letter, you can prove it. Suppose if it is X, X union empty set is equal to empty set union X is equal to X. It will come to the first set. So we have proved the first property. Second one is A intersection empty set. So see, A intersection empty set. Intersection means common, whatever is common between this and this. Because this is empty set, we do not have any element, it means it will remains the same. Empty set, there is nothing common between A and empty set. So what about empty set intersection A? Right, here we are comparing like this, A and empty set. Now we are comparing empty set and A, these two. Again, nothing is common, so nothing is common. So see, whether we are going to make A intersection empty set or empty set intersection A, which is equal to empty set. See, this is the empty set, this is the empty set. So we have proved that A intersection empty set or empty set is intersection A, which is equal to empty set. So these are the properties of empty set. If we are making the union, it should be equal to the this set, A set. But if we are making the intersection, it should be equal to the empty set. Right? And thanks for watching.